Time to show a movie here, just one movie. I pre-ordered this through Diabolic DVD, and of course the shipping is slow, but I pre-ordered there. I should have pre-ordered through Orbit DVD. It would have got here much faster. Saw this at the theater when it first came out, loved it. Bought the VHS, watched it a lot. Bought the DVD when it was released to DVD. Bought the Blu-ray when it was released to Blu-ray, and now it's on 4K. Demolition Man from Arrow Video. And I did just watch this last night. It looks really good. Not like a lot of movies nowadays where they use too much AI, where it makes everything look too smooth and just look weird. No, it looks good. So I did have the Blu-ray, but as soon as I pre-ordered this, I put the Blu-ray in the pile of movies that were going to the record exchange, because I no longer need the Blu-ray when I have a superior 4K. Get this out of here. There's a book in here. I think a poster too, and something stickers, I think, or something like that. Book here. But I watched this last night, and it looks really good. And this movie I can watch over and over and over. I had this on Laserdisc at one time too, years ago. Just a movie I really enjoy. But I would definitely say, if you have it on DVD or Blu-ray, or don't have it at all, definitely get the Arrow release. I can show every page, but just kind of skipping around here just a little. Give me an idea. I don't know if these are numbered. Give you an idea how many pages are in here. Looks like 59 pages. So that's the book. And the stickers here. It would have been funny if they would have done actual, like, 3D printed seashells or something like that. That would have been kind of funny. Kind of surprised they didn't. Or was this a little too expensive? I don't know. But would have been kind of cool. This is a poster I always have liked. Is there two different sides? I guess there are. I guess there is, huh? I think I might frame this, not this side, but the other side. A lot of posters I don't keep, or like the Scream Factory, Shout Factory one, just Shout Factory posters I usually toss. Yep, dropped it. I like to frame this one. And then here's the 4K. Just the one disc, the 4K disc, and then I didn't look to see what was there. The little cards, I guess. Yeah, it looks like it. There's the one side. There's the back side. Front side. And back side, upside down, or tilted to the side there. Get the back side and the front. Get the back, and then make sure it's facing the right way there. This is the last one, yeah. Get the back, and then the front. And then this. But yeah, I think that's it. So I definitely recommend getting the aerial release, get the 4K. But that's it for this video.